is a 125. So point is there. So 0.5. So 0.5 into what? This is 96. So 96 into 0.5, that becomes 48. That is the required answer. Next, if x is 5% of y and y is 24% of z. Now, if x equals to 480, then find the value of y and z. Important point to note over here is x is related to y and then y is related to z. Now we know the value of x, so we have to find x, y and z. Always remember x is related to y, so first solve for y. So what is given? X equals to 5 upon 100 into y, right? 5% of y, and y equals to 24 upon 100 into z, right? X equals to 480. Okay, find y and z. So 480 equals to, so put this in the place of x. So 480 equals to 5y upon 100. Solve this. 100 goes on this side numerator, 5 goes on this side denominator. So 48,000 upon 5. So divide this, you will get 9600. Y you got 9600. Now z. So 9600 equals to 24 upon 100 into z. Right? This. Just input the value of y. So again take 100 on this side numerator, 24 on this side denominator. 24 ones and 24. How much? 4s. Right? So 4 and 4 zeros. So 40,000 is the answer. Z equals to 40,000. Next, if 30% of 140 equals to x percent of 840, then the value of x is here. 30% means 30 upon 100 of means into 140 equals to x upon 100 into 840. Now it's simple. 100 gets cancelled because both are on the same side. Denominator. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yogaguru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha, plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.